Let's go ahead and make the most delicious roast beef sandwich that you will ever have. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom roast and I'm going to cover it with kosher salt and let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. And then once I pull it out, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the W sauce. And then I'm going to top it with a little more of that kosher salt, some black pepper, and the Gospel by Beef Church. Once you get it all coated, we're going to go ahead and make an outside coating with some mayo, some Dijon mustard, some horseradish, some more of that Dove sauce, and some garlic. Give it a mix, and it should look like this. And then we're going to go ahead and cover that bottom roast and take it outside to smoke with me. Today we're rolling at 250 using those Louisiana pellets until this bottom roast hits about 120 internal. And then we're going to go ahead and throw it on the griddle and sear it on up. Now it's time to take it on in and cut it up into those thin slices and start to build up our sandwich. We're going to start with that mayo. We're going to go pile high on that roast beef. Hit it with some tomato with a dash of salt. Then top it off with that lettuce. Hit it with that crown. And now it's time to enjoy.